Hello, my dear friends. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel Guruji Education Wala. Today we are going to see AND logical function in Excel. So the basic use of AND function is that it will check the conditions. If all the conditions in AND function is true, then it will return true. If any any or a single condition is false inside AND function, then it will returns false. So the data is given to us here. uh, Four students data is given. Those four students have scored certain marks in respective in respective subjects like English, Maths, and Science. So here we are going to check the AND function whether they are uh, scoring the more than 40% or 40 marks in each subject. So the formula of AND function is given here, or the syntax of the formula is and inside the bracket logical test 1 or logical 1 comma logical 2 comma logical 3 and so on. So you can mention the n number of condition in this, and if all the conditions are true it will returns true, or if a single condition or more than one conditions are false it will return false. So here we are going to check if all the subject marks are greater than uh, 40, so the student is pass. Okay, so let's check. So here I am going to enter the formula is equal to and inside the bracket. So first logical test I have to be mentioned, that is if English subject marks that is 70 is greater than equal to 40 comma, second condition I have to be mentioned, if the math subject mark that is 80, okay, the cell reference is D7 is greater than equal to 40 comma, the marks of science that is E7 is greater than or equal to 40. If uh, all the subject marks are greater than 40, then it will returns true. Okay, so it will returns the true. Again, for your information, again we will check the next student's marks is equal to and, okay, we are going to check the English marks. English subject marks that is 80 is greater than equal to 40 comma, the second subject mark math subject marks is greater than equal to 40, the third subject marks that is E8 is greater than equal to 40. So we are going to checking over here C8. 80 is greater than equal to 40, it's true. 87 is greater than equal to 40, it's true. 30 is greater than equal to 40, no, it's not true, so it will returns false. Okay, so it will returns false. So now if we want to apply same formula on the remaining rows, so just select the false one in which the formula is mentioned, your cursor becomes plus sign, then drag from there to the last cell. Okay, so it will returns us the true and false, but in actually we want whether the student is passed in the exam or given semester or not, that we have to be printed into the result. Okay, so we are going to use the if formula over here. If is also a logical function, so we are going to mention over here is equal to if, we are again going to check in all the subjects the student has scored more than 40 or not. If he scored more than 40, then he is passed. If he is not scored, if in any subject he has scored less than 40, he is failed. So for that we are going to use the AND function. And, okay, then again we are going to check the English subject marks is greater than equal to 40. If it's true, then it's okay. Then math subject mark is greater than equal to 40 comma, science subject marks is greater than equal to 40. Okay, so this is the AND function. Now we are applying the if function. In if function we have mentioned the condition or logical test. Then if this test, what we have to print, if all the subjects are carry more than 40 marks, then student get pass. Okay, so we are going to print the pass over here. Or if in any subject he is scored less than 40, then he will be fail. Okay, so uh, uh, here is our if formula. In if formula we are using the and function as well. Okay, if this and function returns true, then it will be pass. If it returns false, then it will be fail. So I am going to press the enter. So the student is passed because he has scored more than 40 marks in each and every subject. Okay, so he is passed. Now in second, that Rupesh marks is given over here. He has scored less than 40% marks in science. That's why the AND function returns false. So the same if function we will return in another way. Okay, so let's see how we are going to return over here. Is equal to if, in previous example we have mentioned the AND function, but already AND function is mentioned over here, so it returns false. Okay, so we are going to select this AND function's output over here, then comma. If it returns true, then the student pass. If it returns false, then student will be fail in the exam. Okay, so bracket close. Now check. Obviously the Rupesh has scored less than 40 marks in a science subject, that's why he is fail in the particular exam. So now we want to apply the same formula in the next subjects, so we can drag from here. Okay, so same formula will be applied. Okay, and we will see the different types of outputs over here according to our formula. So this is the simple AND function in Excel. I hope you have understand the logic behind the AND function. So I hope you have understand the AND function. So please like my videos and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.